Welcome to another video, guys. Thanks for being here. If you're new, welcome. Appreciate you. In this video, I'll be preparing some dog food. Yes, I said dog food. I'll be cooking some turned cornmeal with some chicken skin, some chicken foot that I have cut up, and some other parts of the chicken like some liver. Actually, it's like the waste that we don't want. I normally don't throw it away. I use it for my dogs. I have gone ahead and added some salt to my pot. Now I will be adding some meat season, some chicken spice, and some all-purpose. I will also be adding sugar. After adding all my ingredients, all my seasoning, I will allow the chicken to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. After the meat has cooked, I will pour in the cornmeal. I will put small amounts of cornmeal into the pot, and as I put the cornmeal, I will use my board spoon and turn it. Pour small amounts of cornmeal and continue to turn until all the water has been absorbed. That is why it is called turn cornmeal, because you have to turn it until all the cornmeal has come together and you're not seeing the raw meal anymore. You keep on turning it until it absorbs the water. And after it is finished turning and you can't see any more rawness or raw meal, you put it, you turn your stove on low heat and cover your pot and allow to simmer. But guys, I'm gonna continue turning the meal for you to see how. So keep watching this video. You can let me know where you're watching from in the comments. Thank you. Do have yourself a blessed day, night, evening, whichever time you're watching this. Have yourself a blessed one.